Tutorial number 5, starter on the electric controls. The main pieces that you're going to want to use are the volume and then this switch, which has 5 different levels, and you don't necessarily need to mess with these much. Just make sure they're not maxed out either way. I'm leaving them around 7. The first thing that I'm going to show you is just a basic reverb, small reverb, and an 8th note delay. Notice that is engaged but doesn't count because this is the one, and there's no lead tone on this. There's just these ones. What I'm going to do is play with the difference between, first of all, I'm going to show the difference between different settings with this switch. Often it's between, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I've heard most players play between 2 and 4. The 2 is going to sound brighter and the 1 is going to sound the brightest. The 5 is going to sound the warmest and most muffled. So I'm going to start with the really warm sound first. Now I'll play the same thing with the tone all the way to the brightest flavor. Notice you can hear the tone much more coming out. And then in between those, here's 2. Here's 3. 4. 5. So one isn't right and the other wrong, but it's good to know what is the song feeling best with. Notice as I play some lead things, with that on 5 versus 1, back to 2. I really like 2, and here's 4. 2. Then, if we want to add, let's say we're adding distortion. Now, I'm going to start with my volume down a little bit here. Play the same lick. Turning it up. And then adding the lead feature. That just gives so much body to the sound without adding a ton of volume. That was set at number 2. Let's hear at number 4. Number 5. You can hear there's a lot more body than the really than tone 1. That tone 1 is going to really cut through. Now, then I can change the amount of strike and punch with turning down the volume here. Notice I've still got a good bit of volume, but there's just a lot. That's pretty much much a clean tone with the volume down. So just with the volume itself, I can have a lot of control. And then turn up my volume. My mediocre guitar skills. There you have it.